Okay, let's drink our Rise Energy Pop in 3, 2, 1. Napaka-bongga! Grabe, parang meron tayong commercial live na live. Yes, I love it. But of course, Rab Gel, I love the energy that you guys are showcasing here. Mapapasarap mag-rise talaga. But first of all, alam ko, kanina pa sila naghihintay for you guys who are here today. Shout out din naman yung mga Rab Gel supporters here.
Hi guys! Thank you so much po sa pagpunta. Maraming salamat. Tapos na nagdala.
We miss you! Thank you for everything,
Okay, before anything, let's move here muna. Because, of course, we are gonna have a Konti Chika minute with you guys in just a little bit. But as the newest ambassadors of Rise Energy Pop, ano ang feeling to be part of the family?
We're so grateful. Gusto lang po namin magpasalamat po for welcoming us into the Ishimori family. Thank you so much po. It is such a blessing. Thank you for trusting us. We're grateful and we're very excited for Rise Energy Pop.
Congratulations! You guys look so good in the commercial. Ikaw naman, Ravi.
Noong una po sinabi sa amin na i-endorse namin yung Rise Energy Pop, siyempre sobra po ako na-excite. Kasi sobrang kailangan po talaga namin ito ngayon, lalo na nag-taping po kami. Sunod-sunod na araw. So kailangan namin ng boost na energy pa.
Super favorite po talaga namin to because ang sarap po ng grateful.
Actually,
And favorite color din po namin yung purple. It's one of our favorite colors.
oh
Yeah.
my gosh, Bongga, so perfect talaga kayo. The perfect pair for Rise Energy Pop. Thank you guys so much. But ito, we have our seats here finally. You guys can take a seat muna with us. O diba, meron tayong Tita Ayana segment. Ganun. Okay. So we have here Robin Angeles, Angela Muji. Again, congratulations for being the newest ambassadors of Rise Energy Pop. First of all, kitang-kita naman, sa performance pa lang nila, as in, the energy is popping, as in, pop, and grabe yung aura nila, so vibrant, di ba? And yung charm ninyo, ayun na, okay, very Rise Energy Pop talaga ang tag nila. But, I want to know, agree ba kayo, kamusta ang aura ng Rab Gel? Yes? The best? Di ba? After that amazing performance, bigyan naman natin sila ng quick refresh, okay? So, alam ko naman na minsan, nakakapagod yung mga performances, taping, kaya yung sinabi nila kanina. So, ito, we need to have a quick warm-up before yung first game or challenge natin. Okay, so I'm sure you guys are all familiar with the online acting challenge. Yes, okay. Kaya naman makikita natin yung entry ng Rab Gel live na live dito. And syempre sa mga team online natin, hello Team Risers. Okay, simple lang ito. Acting challenge, of course, alam natin yung supportive, flirty, angry. Okay, ito. Ang line natin for today is sarap mag-rise. Okay. Tapos sasabihin ko yung emotion. Okay. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
Siyempre, ano na sa mga veterano? Yes! Okay. Let's start with something easy. Happy. Okay, who wants to go first? Okay, go.
Sarap mag-rise!
Bongga! Okay.
Happy. Dapat ka happy.
Gano'n ka happy?
Gano'n ka happy?
Very happy.
Kasi sobra.
As in, naging...
50%.
Oh, okay. 50%. 50%.
1, 2, 3. Sarap mag-rise!
At, patingin ka ng 100%, Abby.
Ha?
100%.
Mas mamaya.
Okay,
After
sige.
na lang.
Mamaya. Okay, ito naman. Surprise.
Surprise.
Okay.
Surprise.
Ang sarap mag-rise!
Wow! Oh my gosh, pwede na pang commercial, I love it. Okay, go Robin.
Sarap mag-rise!
Surprise talaga, shock kung shock siya. Okay, ito naman, gusto ko ng pero kailangan kayo yung magkausap dito.
Okay.
Pa-sweet.
Pa-sweet.
Ay!
Sarap mag-rise!
Ay!
Sweet na sweet
Sweet na sweet!
Kasi sweet na ng great flavor eh.
Oh, kasing sweet niya. Oh.
Tamang-tama lang yung sweet niya.
Yes, exactly. Ikaw naman, Robin, ikaw naman, kausapin mo si Sweet na sweet dapat.
Ang sarap ng rice.
Oh!
So, maganda.
I love it. Grabe. Guys, anong oras na ba? May kilig session pala tayo dito. Napakabongga ng rap gel. Okay, ito naman. The perfect emotion or the best emotion for Rise Energy Pop. Show us your most 110% energized.
110?
110, yes.
Okay. Sarap mag-ride!
May patayo eh, no?
May ending po siya. I love it. Okay, Rabbit, ikaw naman.
Sarap mag-rice!
Ang bongga nila. Mukhang energized na kayo, Rabgel. And yes,
Nakainom na tayo.
Nakainom na sila. Of course,
Rise Energy Pop.
Yes! Okay. Pero ito, hindi pa kayo nag-hi sa team online natin. Our online risers are here joining us. Yes.
Hi, online risers! Okay pa kayo dyan?
Ay, yes.
Hindi naman namin narinig, pero sorry, you're good.
Yes, diba? But like what I mentioned, we have Team Online joining us, our online risers. Of course, everyone also here who would like for us to capture the moment, kahit screenshot man yan, photos man yan, please don't forget to use our official hashtag, #RapGel and hashtag a pop-up surprise. Okay, yan po yung hashtags natin for today, guys. Ha-impose nyo yan later on. But RapGel, like what I mentioned earlier, itong challenge natin, it was just a warm-up. Pero ngayon, it's time to get started with our main Q&A. Ready na ba kayo?
Yes po.
Okay. So this is called Rise Up or Back Down. Yes. Oh, cute.
Ayos po.
Rise Up or Back Down. Meron kayong placards here. And of course, Rise Energy Pop is all about staying energized and ready for what life throws at you. So ito-test natin kung hanggang saan ba ang energy ng Rabgel. So of course, I'm gonna give you guys different scenarios and kailangan nyo mag-decide if you wanna rise up or back down from that scenario. Rise up meaning, syempre, the statement is something na kaya ng energy nyo and back down is something na hindi nyo carry. Okay? Okay, are we ready?
Yes!
Okay. Of course, you guys need to explain yung answers ninyo.
Okay, okay po.
Okay.
Okay, ready, set, go. Ito, very realistic yung scenarios natin, Rabgel. Scenario number 1, 7 a.m. class after an all-nighter study session. Rise up or back down?
Rise up!
Yes, of
Okay,
course.
rice na.
Okay, back it.
Ako as a student, meron akong classes na 7 a.m. and hindi talaga ako sumusuko kahit all day pa ako mag-work kahapon. Go lang, game lang, rise up. Rise to the challenge.
Totoo. Shout out sa mga working students dyan. Inspiration natin. Si Angela Muji. I love it. Okay, ikaw naman, Rabbit. Rise up.
Ako din rise up pa rin. Kasi parang sanay na sa puyan. And nakakatulong talaga sa akin yung rise energy up.
Yes, our morning boost.
Engraved. Diba? Perfect. Okay, so 7 a.m. after a puyat study session, game na game sila, rise up. Okay, ito naman number 2, of course. Mga kayo, artists, and syempre, puyat lagi. Mag-exercise after work. Rise up or back down?
Rise up.
Huh?
Ako parang, rise up pa din.
Rise up, rise up.
Yes.
Oh my gosh, paano nyo nakakaya? Like, paano yung energy levels nyo after a very intense scene?
I think kasi kailangan din namin mag-exercise to stay fit and healthy. Kasi kapag hindi pa papayaan namin yung body namin, mag-wear down kami easily sa work. So kailangan din talaga namin siya. And I guess it really helps na kasama namin lagi ang rise sa kung saan man kami pupunta.
Perfect. Energy booster. Energy pump talaga siya.
Yeah.
Diba? Ikaw naman, Robin.
Parang kailangan po talaga namin siyang paglahanan ng oras, pag-exercise. Kaya, rise up pa din ako.
Good job! Diba? Health is wealth. Perfect. Okay. Ito naman, Robin and Angela. Taping after puyatan.
Love you too! We love you! Rise
Rise up
up!
po din.
Yes, of course.
Walang susuko sa taping. Lalo
Walang
pag lagi
susuko.
kami baon.
Lagi ba? Doon sa ano?
Pinabibigyan po siya sa set.
Oh my gosh, sa lahat ng pro, meron silang nice energy.
Pinabibigyan ko rin sila. share ko rin sa kanila.
Totoo, para lahat tayo may energy sa taping. Oh my gosh, parang gusto ko na rin maging scriptwriter nila na Ramsey. Well, parang may libre, di ba? Charis. Okay, this is Taping After Puyatan, Rise Up. Okay, ito naman, running a marathon. Rise up, back down. Are you guys runners?
No.
Back down.
Back down.
Okay.
Back down
Back
for
down.
now.
Wala ka kaya sa running era mo?
No, hindi pa po kasi ako nag-try mag-run ng marathon, so I don't think I'm ready for that. Pero we would love to try, di ba?
Magta-try natin.
Kung may chance, what if Rice Marathon?
Yes, I support. Yes, I support you guys. Okay, gusto ko malaman, if you guys are not marathon runners, ano yung mga workouts yung Pilates ba, paddle, lifting, ano ba yung workout nyo?
Gym lang.
Gym, okay.
Ako rin, sa gym lang madalas and sa basketball court.
Oh, bongga, di ba? May movement pa rin. Good job, guys. Okay, number 5. House chores after a long day of work, rise up or back down?
Rise up pa din. Lagi ko mong ginagawa yan.
Good job. I back down! Imagine, that's so cute! Okay, bakit
I
Angie?
would back down kasi bago ako umalis ng house, gusto ko maayos na siya para pagdating ko, okay na.
Napaka-perfect.
Kasi hindi ko na kaya eh. Pagdating ko sa house, gusto ko wala na akong gawin kundi mag-rest.
Totoo. Parang ano na, parang decluttered na yung mind mo pag-uwi. Tama. Okay. Ito. Mag-selfie update kahit ubos na ang social battery.
Oh!
Ako back down.
Bakit?
Hindi po ako mahilig mag-selfie.
Kahit update?
Pagkasama ko siya nag-selfie.
Yeah! OMG! Okay. Ikaw naman, Angela, mahilig ka mag-update with photos.
Yes, kasi di ba sobrang busy namin sa schedules namin na hindi na kami masyadong nakaka-update sa personal accounts namin. I wanna make sure na everyone knows na may ganap kami, na we're doing something, para din hindi sila mag-worry sa amin. So yun, I love giving updates sa channel ko.
Sa broadcast channel. Sino dito yung mga part ng broadcast channel? Lahat sila. I love it. Okay. And that concludes our Rise Up or Back Down Challenge. Maraming salamat, Rachel, for being so game and for sharing, of course, your refreshing chemistry with everyone. Mga Rachel supporters, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Good job. Okay. So of course, since I'm done with my Q&A, syempre, hindi magpapatalo yung mga friends from the media natin. Friends of the media, thank you guys so much for being here. Na present sila, okay? So we are inviting all of our media friends and Rapgel fans and supporters as the floor is now open to your questions. Now, of course, before your question, please introduce yourselves and the label or the, of course, media that you are representing or network. And we have our microphones here for you guys, okay? Our microphones, please. Okay, we have 2 handheld microphones to be given to you guys, so please raise your hand and we will approach you. Again, please don't forget to introduce yourselves. Okay, starting things off with our first friend from the media. Hello po.
Hello po.
Hello po, good afternoon.
James here from True FM on I just want to ask you guys, what made you say yes to becoming a family, part of the family of the Rise Energy?
I think kasi Asia Brewery is such an established brand and we're so glad to be here. Sobrang blessed po namin. So it's an immediate yes. Biggest blessing po namin ito for this year. We're so glad and happy na meron po ganitong project. We love Asia Brewery! Thank you for having us.
Ako po, unang beses ko lang po na sinabi sa akin na kami po yung mag-endorse. Sobrang happy ko na kasi nakita ko po yung concept, sobrang fun niya lang.
Vibrant, no?
Sobrang happy ko po talaga na binigay yung opportunity ko sa akin. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Okay, our next friend from the media, go ahead.
Good afternoon.
Hello po.
I'm Suzanne from Last TV. First of all, congratulations sa launch. My question is, when you first heard the campaign Sarap Mag-Rise, what immediately came to your mind?
Ako ano po, good vibes agad eh. Parang kahit pagod ako or ang daming ginagawa, pero Rise Energy Pop to help me keep going and enjoy the moment po.
To me, ang naisip ko agad, it's fun. Kasi yung Rise Energy Pop itself, parang ang happy na niya eh. Ang vibrant lang niya. Parang gusto mo na lang maging masaya. And it's so exciting kasi energy, mataas, vibrant, happy. ganun.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much po.
Justine from Chinese Financial News. Why do you think the Rise Pop is bagay na bagay for today's generation?
Kasi po fast-paced talaga lahat ngayon, di ba? Parang everyone's juggling so many things, work, school, passions. Kaya sobrang saya po na merong Rise Energy Pop while keeping up with everything going on.
I think kasi mahilig din yung Gen Z sa mga products na may personality. And Rise Energy Pop is just so full of that. I think yung vibe na it's giving is parang it adds color to our lives. Not just figuratively, pero actually, ang sarap na kasi talaga. So parang yun na mismo yun. It's so flavorful and yummy. Parang kahit sometimes hindi ko na kailangan ng energy, sobrang sarap lang niya na gusto ko lang siyang inumin because it really tastes good. And yan lang, it's nice.
Thank you po. Okay. Yes po, sir.
Hi, good afternoon. Hi, Robin and Angela. I have a question. I'm Nindo from Uptech TV. What makes Rise Energy Pop different from the usual music you tried before?
For me po, yung taste niya talaga. Sarap ng grape flavor. Parang bata pa lang po kasi ang favorite ko na yung grapes. Tapos sobrang refreshing niya. Hindi siya yung usual na na-try ko dati. Kakaiba siya. Sobrang nakaka-happy niya. Then it gives me a boost to get through the day. Iba yung mood ko. Mas happy po ako palagi. Mas ganun. And kahit gabi pwede ko siyang inumin. Parang every night ko siya inumin. Oo, ang sarap.
For me naman, yung balance niya, masarap siya eh. It's a given. It's fruity and it's enjoyable to drink like sinabi ko. And I really love the color. I love purple. It's my mom's favorite color. Actually, my hair was purple before. And as Robin puts it, nakaka-happy siya. Hindi na lang si Robin yung nagpapa-happy sa akin. May isa pang R na nagpapa-happy sa akin and that's Rise Energy Pop.
Hi, Roxanne. I'm Adrian from Magic 89.4. We've heard that your new favorite thing, Rice Energy Pop. If you could describe Rice Energy Pop in 3 words, what would you do?
Fun, fruity, and refreshing.
Ako po, cool, flavorful, and energizing.
Good afternoon. Larry from TV. Ano ang first reaction ninyo when you first tried the fully grain flavor of Rise Energy Pop?
Ano? Game?
Yeah.
Ito lang po yung reacts namin. Really, totoo. Game.
1, 2, 3. Sarap mag-rise, rise, energy pop.
Sobrang sarap po kasi. Yes. And you should try it, everyone. Sobrang sarap na, guys. Meron po tayong mga testers sa mga booth natin. You should give it a try. Hindi lang siya masarap, it also gives you a boost of energy. Katulad ngayon, sobrang hyper ko because of this. And I just really, really love the taste.
Sorry, natatawa ako sa may pasampol sila. Ang cute! Okay, isa pa. Pwede isa pa.
Ito po tayo natin. 1, 2.
May music naman.
Ay,
May music, pwede. Okay. In 3, 2, 1. So cute! Thank you guys. Ito.
Good afternoon, Robin and Angela.
Ano po?
I'm Brian from DCNM sa Istreta and DCNM Teleracha. So, ang question ko is, between refreshing rice, yummy rice, and invigor rice, alin ang pinaka-kayo and why?
For me, siguro yung yummy rice. Because I'm such a foodie. I love food. And like I said, ang pinaka na-appreciate ko talaga dito sa energy, rice energy pop is yung taste niya. I really love the taste. So yummy rice ako all the way.
Ako po, indigo rice, kasi medyo tahimik ako, pero gusto ko laging ready sa mga ganap. Rice gives me extra boost and excitement po naman. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Hi Robin and Angela.
Hello.
I'm Martin from Net25. My question is, if you would recommend the Rice Energy Pop to your fans, paano niyo sasabihin ito para makonvince silang itry ito?
Sample ba? If you know, you know. Sarap mag-rice. If you know, you know.
Magsisisi kayo pag hindi nyo ito na-try.
Actually.
Angela and I are enjoying every minute of drinking our rice energy bar.
Kaubos na nga eh.
Thank you, sir. Okay, next question.
Hello po.
People's Jordan po. I'm just curious, what do you know enough to break your energy and how do you recharge it?
Kapag sunod-sunod po yung schedule, kasi hindi po maiwasan na sunod-sunod po talaga yung schedule ng taping, ng promotions, tapos may travel pa po for other promotions din sa ibang places, nakakapagod din po siya. Ako po personally, nag-recharge ako with rice, energy pop, and with food and snacks. Siguro mga sweets, mahilig po ako sa sweets, tapos kasama po ng rice, it's the perfect combination po.
Ako po, long baby days. Siguro, tapos, para makapag-recharge, nag-play po ako ng mga relaxing na music habang umiinom ng rice energy bar. Thank you po.
Thank you so much. Okay, we have here another question.
Thank you.
Hello. What's your go-to activity where you definitely bring a bottle of rice energy pop with you? Okay.
Tapings, beach trips, and syempre, just snacks with friends and family, with my loved ones ba.
Ako rin, tapings, road trip, sound trip. Sound trip na sarap mo, rice, music po. Yan po.
Actually, nakaka-LSS nga po.
Oo, memorize ko na nga siya.
Matulog na ako, naririnig ko pa rin.
Ay, perfect. Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Another question here.
Hi, Robin and Angela.
Hello po.
Hi, I'm Amy from Inquirer.net. So my question for you is, how was your experience shooting the Rise Energy Pop campaign? And do you have any fun or funny moments together on set that you would like to share with us all today, especially if your fans are also
Nung nag-shooting po kami noon, sobrang fun. Ang dami namin tawa, especially kapag may compose or dance moves na minsan hindi kami nakakapagseryoso sa kakatawa.
Actually, madami po kaming bloopers. And mostly dahil sa kanya. Kasi nagpapatawa po siya.
Ginagawa naman ako kasi nag-enjoy talaga ako na shoot.
Thank you so much po.
Thank you po.
Okay.
Good afternoon, I'm Mercy from World News. May ano po sino mas may energy sa inyong dalawa sa set?
Ako po. Kasi po kahit pagod na po ako, parang I just love energizing everyone around me. Just like Rice Energy Pop, gusto ko yung maghawa ng energy sa mga tao, sa paligid ko.
Lagi po kami gano'n lang. Pero si Angela po yung mas may energy talaga. Iba talaga yung energy.
Nakuha ko po yun kay Robin eh. I'm happy
Thank you
with
po.
it. Thank you po.
Check. Hi Rob J. DJ Macho Vivo from Root Radio. Ang sarap ng rice. Ang sarap na. I-endorse ko to sa on-air program ko sa Root Radio. Malakpakan natin ng rice.
Yeah!
At ang homepage ko kasi first time kong magtanong sa lab team yung mga kinikilig. Okay, what makes you guys vibe naturally or does it take time to live each other? Yan lang naman tanong ko sa inyo.
Kailangan ko bang itanong yan?
Parang ibang stasyon na agad.
Oo naman, comfortable naman po kami. Kasi with Robin, natural po yung niya, charms niya. And he brings out the happy side of people. Kapag nakikita niyo si Robin, sobrang nakaka-good vibes lang po siya. So, ayun po, madali lang naman po siyang makasamahan. And yung sa chemistry naman po, it really did take some time kasi nung una po, hindi kami love team. Tapos, we had workshops to help with that. So, yun po, madali naman po siya.
Opo, madali naman po siya. Medyo obvious naman po siguro.
Obvious nga.
Hindi, pero sobrang happy ko po na nakasama ko si Angela dito. Nakasama ko po siya na gawin ng Rise Energy. Thank you so much po sa opportunity.
Masaya po talaga gawin yung Rise Energy Cup campaign. Super!
Thank you so much po.
Thank you!
Robin and Angela, I'm Ali
Hello,
from
Ali.
Robin Worldwide. So the question is, who is more likely to need Rise Energy Cup during the long dating days?
Kami po, parehas po kami. Hindi na kasi siya pang energy. Masarap lang talaga siyang inumin dahil sobrang yummy niya.
Sobrang sarap na pala.
Yummy rice.
Yes, thank you so much po. Yes po.
So I'm Beth from Tita sa Project. Can you teach us your favorite sarap mag-rice pose or signature gesture?
Paano yan? Favorite pose? Ako favorite pose ko siguro ito. Nag-enjoy po kasi ako na nag-photoshoot kami ko ito. Ang saya-saya ako na nag-shoot kami. Kasi ang daming pose. Ang daming poses na tinatawag.
Alam ko naman.
Ang saya ako. Ito favorite ko. Ito.
My favorite rice balls is yung nakita ko. Binuksan niya sa
Ay, nakagalit.
sa video.
Thank you so much po. Actually, gusto ko malaman kasi parang itong drink na to, hindi ba siya paano mo ginagawa yan, Angela? Kasi parang siya, OMG! For how many seconds?
Ang dami ko na inom ng drink. Kasi kami pinakauna ko nakatikim talaga.
Okay.
So, nag-enjoy po ako. Ay, ako pa lang nakakatikim na yun.
Yes. So, yes, true.
Parang kasi yung i-gatekeep kasi
Oo, true. Huwag natin i-gatekeep.
yes, we're not gatekeeping it. It's the best energy drink ever.
Yes, exactly. Sige, basta top of energy, Rise Energy Pop. Okay, teka lang. We have our last question for you guys. I think, yes.
Hi, Ramjet. My name is Rose Ann. Fandom for Naranjal Global. Complete this sentence. Sarap mag-rice kapag
Kapag kasama yung my favorite person mo, like that.
Ako, sarap mag-rise kapag tuloy-tuloy ang ganap with my favorite people like Angela.
Yung face mo, Lori.
Grabe. So, over na sa favorite. Actually, okay, ito naman. Gusto ko malaman. Siguro my last question for you guys before we move on to our photo op. Favorite thing nyo about each other? What?
Siguro with Travis his attention to detail. Like he picks up something, tapos maaalala niya yun, and then one day, i-mention niya sa'yo, tapos magugulat ka, natandaan mo yun? Like, I didn't even remember saying that. Super sweet.
Aww, okay. Ikaw naman, Rabbit.
Ako ang pinakagusto ko kay Angela, yung way ng pag-aalaga niya sa akin.
Oh my gosh!
Yun, yun.
May pinipili ko dito with Rapgel. Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Rapgel.
thank you.
And of course, to our friends from the media for joining us. And of course, for our Rapgel supporters for sending in your questions. Thank you guys so much. Okay, before we let you guys go for a while, para mag-freshen up muna kayo, syempre, we want to do our .5 selfie with the crowd. Okay, so this is our .5 concert selfie. Let's call in our photographer to join us. And then Rapgel, I'll have you guys here sa gitna. And sa lahat po ng friends natin na nandito, let's raise our hands. Or we can stand
po tayo sa photo.